Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup lead intake forms with Typeform. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your lead intake forms with Typeform, start by logging into your Typeform account. Select the form you want to backup from your dashboard. Click on the form to open the editor. In the upper right corner, locate and click on the Share button. From the Share options, choose Responses. Next, click on Export to export your responses. You will see various export options like CSV, XLS, or PDF. Select your preferred format for the backup. Once selected, click on Download. The file will be saved to your device. Now, let's back up the form structure. Return to the form editor. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Duplicate to create a copy of your form. You can rename the duplicated form to indicate it's a backup. To save this backup safely, navigate to your Forms list. Find your duplicated form and ensure it's clearly labeled. For additional security, consider exporting the duplicated form as well. This gives you both the structure and responses in separate files. You have now successfully backed up your lead intake forms with Typeform. Make sure to store your files in a secure location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.